What up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since Break Even has put out a video, but today we're at Lowe's. I'm gonna be picking up another tool set. If you guys didn't know or follow me on Instagram, then you guys wouldn't have known that my car actually got broken into recently, about like 2 months ago. So I had my tools jacked and a few other things, nothing too important. But the car is safe, which is all that matters. But today we're gonna be doing a distributor O-ring on my car. Mine has been leaking for quite some time now, and it's about that time to do the maintenance stuff when it comes to my build. So yeah, we're gonna go in there, see what type of tool sets that they have. I'll do a little update on the car and just show you where the car has gotten since the last video, which was, man, I guess like the coilover video, the year 10. It doesn't really count because it was just, you know, an event. But there has been a few things that have been done to the car since then. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. So ended up getting a why is it so dark? And I'm just getting a Craftsman tool set. It's 83 piece. Obviously you could see it was on sale for like $70 here at Lowe's. I think original price is $90, and I figured why not? It has lifetime warranty, and it's just something I'm going to use for now. But I guess I can just give you guys a quick little update on the car itself. So I did pick up some Advent RGs. They are the OG RGs. They are 15 by 6.5 plus 35 all around. Picked up a new bumper, well not new, but one that wasn't cracked, with a real EM1 CTR front lip, and also got some CTR headlights. I think the next thing I'm going to be putting on the car is a spoon and one. I also picked one up. It's sitting at home, and I can show you guys that too. But yeah, I'm really happy with where the car is right now. It's a good feeling to, you know, finally be doing something that you've been really wanting to do. So it's getting there. All right, so we're here. Got the hood open, obviously. So this is your distributor, you know, for people who don't know. The thing is when you take it off, there's gonna be three 12mm bolts. One right here, one on the bottom side, and then one on the other side, right there. And the thing is about this is when you take out your distributor, you want it to be in the same place when you put it back on. So what I'm gonna do is take a Sharpie, just gonna mark it, just so I know. Just mark it like that. I guess I'll do it like that so I can line it up, and then I'll get to it. You kidding me, dude? Alright, so managed to get it off. Here's your distributor. The O-ring goes right there. I got it off. It was a little hard to get off. Probably should have waited a little while because the distributor is like really hot because I was driving the car. That's a new one. Doesn't look too bad, but it was causing a leak somehow. So here's a new one. The new one doesn't stretch at all. It's all tight. It's nice. Picked it up from Honda, and we're gonna lube this up with some motor oil and put that back on there. Alright, got it back on. Seems to be running fine. Seems like I got the little two teeth that go into the camshaft. Seems like I got it right in place. Line it back up, and it's all good now. Just washed it. Decided to throw on the Cokies. It's been a while since I've had them on, so figured I'd throw them on since I got a tool set. But yeah, it's all clean. Dryer.
grind, gotta get my doing my crime with two hands, steady stacking my ends, put my syrup down on the clear 9-9. Hitting up the graveyard shit with real Little Will, Big Wally and Wishbone. Little Wally, high rollers, anyway the white niggas so strong. Crazy bone, step rock, take much love, kept a nigga on his toes in the game, missing everyday thing when you listen to tank. Gotta make it grand at least daily, man. Them Cleveland hustlers, never no busters, thug to the heartbeat, them niggas from the land fool. And the old school, just about to sit and be cool, fucking with truth. Rest in peace, little nigga, rips to stress that bone, though. Smoking no bud, cause a nigga moped up, calling on my niggas when it's time to murder. And the 9-9 niggas gon' drop to the number one with the gun, so run. Cleveland is the city where a nigga come from, slinging them down.
Niggas that's going down, I'm in the C-town. Get him up with a thug and a nigga with the bug and the 50 rose. But the niggas don't close, then I'm up with the fun. That ways a nigga run up in the Buddha. Smoke it all up, nigga, don't stiff on the reefer.